First, when you receive the machine, hold it in place first. Keep the belt height consistent. Second, access cylinder. And when there is air, the pointer will move up. The air pressure needs to be increased. By adjusting switch on top, facing the switch, adjust the air pressure to the left to increase it, and then adjust it to the right to decrease it. We have two regular sockets here, 9-pin and 5-pin. See if the rejection device is 9-pin or 5-pin. Find the corresponding socket and plug it in. Connect the power cord. This weighing platform cannot touch anything. There are 4 screws fixing the weighing platform under the platform, and we need to remove these 4 screws. The product should not be larger than the weighing table. Third, power on. Select language. Click Login. Password 888 Login. 1. Perform weight calibration. 200 grams of weight. Click Menu. Click Weight Set. 0. Calibration. Put the weight in the middle of the scale. Weight calibration. OK, turn back. 2. Set the rejector order. Normal weight. The weight is set above and below the original weight. Test once. The level 1 corresponds to the rejector 1. If we want to set the first heavy product, we can fill in the level 1 first. Set up lightweight product. The level 2 corresponds to the rejector 2. Then we set up a third different product. The level 3 corresponds to the rejector 3. Finally, we set the products that can be passed. Fourth, test the product. Normal weight product. Heavy product. Lightweight products. Different product.